Okay, meron tayong Roku Premiere 4K HDR streaming made easy. Okay, so it is si Roku Premiere. Okay, nabili natin sa Lazada for 1,800 I think, or 1,799. So what are the features here? We have a simple remote and premium HDMI cable. So stream free TV, live news, sports, movies, and more, as you can see here. Okay, meron siyang mga applications installed already. Okay, HD 4K HDR. Okay, easy setup, plug in, connect, HD internet, start and streaming. Okay, so mabilis lang to na unboxing. So tingnan natin the contents ng Roku Premiere. Okay, we already have the Roku Express. So ito naman susubukan natin. Okay, so here it features with Alexa and Google Assistant. Okay, so let's check. They say it is much better than the Express. Okay, so it supports 1080p HD plus 4K Ultra. Okay, so let's unbox. Okay, so unbox agad tayo mga friends. Wala nang pasikot-sikot pa. Tingnan kagad natin ang contents ng okay, open ang box. Let's check. Okay, so HD 4K HDR daw. So tingnan natin. So we have the contents here. Okay, kasama na yung remote. And we have okay, quick start guide, user manual. So this one, ano to, sticker. I love Roku sticker. Okay, ito bang meron dito. Okay, okay, cable. So this one USB cable, and the other one meron tayong HDMI cable. So the contents, HDMI cable, micro USB cable. Okay, so user manual. Okay, meron tayong sticker here. Okay, tapos ito yung pinaka Roku natin. So it also already comes with a battery. Okay, meron tayong ditong Roku, okay, plug, and ano, ito yung pinaka device. Okay, so medyo pareho lang siya sa Roku, yung design Roku Express, yung pinaka design niya. Okay, and of course yung remote control. Okay, the same din ng okay, reviews na yung Roku Express. And we have here yung sticker. Okay, so ito ilalagay dito, then ilalagay nyo sa TV nyo, and that's it. Okay, so this one for the video, this one para sa cable. Okay, so power cable to with this one. Okay, so these are the contents of the Roku Premiere. Okay, very affordable, just a minor difference in the price with the Roku Express. I think 150 pesos lang. Okay, so pag nabili nyo with a sale, much better. Okay, shipping is very fast, and based on my experience with the Roku Express, very reliable to. Okay, much better to, mas makakamura ka than purchasing a Roku or a smart TV, especially if yung mga ordinary lang, unbranded smart TV. Just get a ordinary smart TV, okay, with a good resolution, and get this one. Upgradable pa yung software na to, unlike sa smart TV, sometimes hindi na nagwo-work yung Netflix and other apps because hindi na na-upgrade or na-update. Okay, So, simple remote and premium HDMI cable for your Roku Premiere 4K and HDR streaming made easy. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, may mga tanong, okay, mag-comment lang below.